Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class we will be seeing the full adder and full subtractor circuit diagrams using two half adders. This topic is already completed in detail in the previous video classes, so you can refer it there. This is like a summary to avoid confusion between the full adder circuit and full subtractor circuit using two half adders, where most of the students get confused. So this class is made to avoid the confusion for them. Coming to full adder circuit, the sum equation is, the full adder inputs we have taken it as A, B, C in, means carry in. A, B, C in are the inputs and outputs are sum and carry out, C out. Okay. So, inputs are A, B, C in and outputs are sum and C out. So, sum equation is going to be C in XOR A XOR B. C out expression is AB plus C in dot A XOR B. If you remember these two equations, you can easily draw the full adder circuit using two half adders. So, we have taken three inputs A, B, C in. So, what is the first term we need to get? A XOR B. So, we will be getting A XOR B here, because the input is A, B given to the XOR gate to get A XOR B. Now, so here what we are getting? A XOR B. To the second XOR gate, the C in input is coming. So, from here A XOR B is coming and here C in is coming. So, here the output of this will come as C in XOR A XOR B. This is a sum expression. Okay, so sum we got. Now we need to get this C out expression. What is C out expression? A dot B. So take A and B, give it to AND gate to get AB. Okay, now to this AB we need to connect C in. So here, from here the C in is coming, we have taken C in, and from here we have taken A XOR B. So, here we are getting C in A XOR B, and here what is coming? AB. So, what will be the output here? C out expression equal to AB plus C in A XOR B. So, here in this way we are able to have two half adders. What is a half adder? Comprising of one XOR gate and one AND gate. So, two half adders and their C out are connected to an OR gate. In terms of block diagram, we can draw like this. Two half adders. What is each half adder comprising of? XOR gate with AND gate. Inside this the diagram is, we are having three inputs A, B, C in. For the first adder, two inputs A, B. For the second half adder, this sum is one of the input, another input is C in. This is sum, this is carry out. The carry out of first half adder and the carry out of the second half adder are ORed to give the C out. So, in this way we can easily remember how to draw full adder circuit using two half adders. Coming to full subtractor circuit, the full subtractor circuit is having three inputs A, B, B in. B in means borrow in, and two outputs are difference and borrow out. Coming to difference equation, we got it as B in XOR A XOR B, and B out expression is coming to be as A bar B plus B in dot A XOR B the whole bar. Okay. So, let us now draw the diagram. The three inputs are A, B, B in. To get this term A XOR B, we have given it to first XOR gate. What we will get here? We will get A XOR B. Now, this A XOR B is coming to another XOR gate along with this B in. So, A XOR B and B in is coming to this XOR gate to get what? B in XOR A XOR of B. Okay. Now, coming to the second term B out expression, we need the first term as A bar B. A bar means A is given to NOT gate to get A bar, and here B. So, it is coming as A bar B. Now, this A bar B is ORed. So, this A bar B is given to another OR gate. Here for the second term B in. So, from here the B in is coming, we have taken B in dot B in dot A XOR B the whole bar. So, this line is A XOR B. From here we have taken A XOR B and complemented. So, here we are getting A XOR B the whole bar and here B in. So, we will get here, what we will get? B in dot A XOR B the whole bar. Here we are getting A bar B. So, these two are ORed to get B out expression as A bar B plus B in A XOR B the whole bar. So, in this way we are able to draw full subtractor using two half subtractors. So, in this pink is one half subtractor, another this pink box is another half subtractor. So, inside half subtractor what we are having? An XOR gate and a AND gate, but the input of first AND gate is the coming from the input given to a NOT gate. Okay. So, here this difference is coming through two XOR gates, and borrow out is coming from the first AND gate ORed with the output of this AND gate, both are ORed to get B out. So, we can easily understand like this with the help of block diagram. This is a full subtractor having three inputs A, B, B in. A and B are given to first half subtractor. The difference is coming, this difference is given to another half subtractor, and the third input is going to this half subtractor to get the difference equation. And now the half subtractor borrow is going to OR gate, and the second half subtractor borrow is also going to an OR gate to get the B out. Yes. So, it is very easy to remember also the equations of half subtract full adder and full subtractor. So, we quickly for full adder, what are the outputs? Difference. What is the difference equation? C in A XOR B and C out, sorry, full adder. Now, full adder will have, we have taken the symbol of sum, SUM, sum. Okay, so I will write it again. Full adder, the inputs of full adder are A, B, carry in, C in. Output is sum and carry out. So, here the sum equation is C in XOR A XOR B. Coming to full subtractor, the inputs are A, B and borrow in. Outputs are difference and B out. So, here the difference equation is B in XOR of A XOR B. Full adder carry, full subtractor borrow in. So, these two equations are easy to remember, yes or no? And then sum carry out, C out. C out is equal to the first two given to AND gate plus third input multiplied with this XOR, A XOR B. It is A XOR B. Okay. Now coming to B out expression here, it is coming as A bar B plus C in, not C in, it will be B in A XOR B the whole bar. So, it is easy here A B, here it is A bar B. The first term is the complement A XOR B the whole bar. Okay. And in terms of block diagram also it is easy to remember. Two half adders. To the first adder give two inputs A and B. The half adder first sum is going here to the second half adder to give the sum. Another input of this half adder is a third input, that is a carry input. This is the carry out, and here the carry out of second adder, both are odd to get the C out. Now coming to full subtractor. Half subtractor, the two inputs are A and B. Here the third input is C for full adder. Half subtractor. So, the half subtractor difference is coming here, the difference is coming here. The third input is borrow in, like this. Now, the borrow out of the first one and the borrow out of the second half subtractor are odd to get the borrow out. So, this is how we can draw full adder and full subtractor using two half adders and two half subtractors. I hope now there won't be any confusion in it, if you can easily remember these equations. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.